Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 85. The local device name is already in use, error already assigned on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open control panel in your system, and here from the available list go to Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. Here from the left side, click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, click on it. Here make sure that printer and file sharing option is duly allowed through Windows Defender Firewall. If you found it unchecked, then click on change settings and make the check against both the option, private as well as public network, and finally click on OK to save the changes. So file and printer sharing allow this feature to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button, and here choose disk management. There may be a possibility of your drive, so right click on your drive having issues, and here click on change drive and path later, change drive later and path, and click on change and assign the following drive later. Choose another drive later from drop down menu. We will choose E and click on OK. Some programs that rely on drive letters might not run correctly. Do you want to continue? Choose yes. And after that, the new volume D simple volume is currently in use, so you must close previously running all your Windows Explorer volume, and thereafter execute same command and click on yes. So change your drive later or path. This is the second solution of this error code, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open File Explorer and check your drive later here. After that, the next workaround is right click on start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box, type services services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Services windows will now open. Here under available services, scroll down and look for the services named computer browser. Right click on it and choose start. If you already found it in a start mode, then restart computer browser services. After that, apply a double click on it to open its properties and go to your startup type and set a startup type as automatic, and click on apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your system and your error definitely be resolved. That's